Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor and your Houston chiropractor's wife and office manager, Renae, and we are having a marital affair. So, this is after hours. This is Martin Luther King Day. Happy Martin Luther King Day to y'all. We have been just swamped in here all day, so we're shooting an after hours video for you. So, Renae is volunteered. She's your crack queen. Let's let you hit quack queen too. There we go. Not bad today, honey. A little forward and a little right, but not bad. Your pelvis is right down the middle, right where it's supposed to be.
Well, I haven't been adjusted about 2 months.
I know. She's a horrible patient. She's so busy up front all the time, she never makes time to get back here and get adjusted. Where her pins are still awfully crooked. Justin, if you're watching this, we're ready to get those pins any day. We're having some new pins made for this, and he tried to straighten these out, but I've already bent them because of my old man strength. Hey, when you've been a chiropractor 35 years?
That's a real thing, though. Old man
strength. It is
strength.
a real thing, yeah. Okay, nice and easy. I'm on not using on you. Move your left big toe. There you go. Perfect.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that didn't hurt. You know it. Oh, yeah. That's why the crack addicts love you. Good job.
We have tornado warnings and everything.
Yeah, we had a tornado come through here today, this morning, up by our house. We live up in northwest Houston. Okay, let's go on your tummy here. I just changed this, but I'll change it again because I know how fickle you are.
That was an Osweiler.
You know, we're watching the Packers Cowboys game last night, and of course Renae, I'm looking at the plays and yelling and screaming about the plays, and Renae's looking at Troy Aikman's complexion and going, look at that. He's all broke out and red. Eyes look tired. And I'm going, Renae, this is football.
Yeah, his eyes are really red.
Well, maybe he was stoned. That's it. Okay, scoot up in here just a little bit more. A little bit more than that. There you go. There we go. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back. See, I really don't have to adjust Renae that hard.
Well, it feels like it.
Because she's not out. Oh, be quiet. There, we drop this in my hand. Yeah, tune in on Thursday afternoon or Friday morning or this following weekend. We've got Brooke Adams, our TNA wrestling champion, coming in here, and she's going to be signing autographs for you guys. If you send us money that we can donate to the Texas Chiropractic Association, and just send the money order or cashier's check, and we'll let you know how much they are. I don't know how much they are yet for an autographed picture like that. I got mine for free. But I am her Houston chiropractor. There we go. But she's going to be wearing in her TNA wrestling outfit, so it should be quite the video. You'll want to tune in for that one.
And that's Thursday this week.
Yeah, Thursday this week. She's going to be our last patient of the day. There. We'll do it after hours with Brooke. Okay, let's stand up here and shoot you now, honey. Okay. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Wow, on a swivel. Take a look. She's right down the middle.
Yeah.
Bring that back just a little bit. I'll set this on real light for you. Okay. See how nice that was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After watching the game, I had such a headache because it was so stressful.
Let's flex it forward and backwards. Yeah, my Packers pulled it out at the end, thank God. Okay, looking good there, honey.
Yeah.
So this is your Houston Chiropractor and Renae and Joseph coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Super Bowl, and we'll see y'all here.